In this video, we'll show you the features of the whiteboard, the items on the whiteboard, and how to actually play a video on the whiteboard. We'll begin by looking at the icons that you have at the bottom. If you put your mouse over each and every of the icons, you'll see that a balloon actually appears and it tells you what that particular item is. We'll start with the first one, which allows me to draw freeform lines. As you can see, I'm drawing a freeform line just simply by dragging my mouse. Second icon, and I'll change the color of it by clicking one of the color icons. Allows me to draw a straight line. The third icon allows me to draw a freeform highlighter. So we'll just do another squiggly line there to show. The fourth one creates a rectangular highlighter. We'll do an orange one for that case there. Then what we have here is what we call the area revealer. The area revealer allows me to cover a certain portion of either a document or on the whiteboard itself, and I'll show you how that actually works. When you click on the area revealer, you draw the area that you want to cover, and when you right click on the item, anywhere where the pink is, you're hiding the area from participants. You click hide, and when you right click on it to reveal it, you click reveal, and it would be sort of like that light green color. So you can actually take this and hide a certain portion of a document that you don't want the other participants in the video conference to see. In this particular case, you're revealing it to them, but when you actually right click on it there, when it's pink, they will see a black rectangular box, and they won't, anything that's within that rectangular box will not be seen. We're moving on to the next icon. This allows you to draw a circle. And you have your highlighted rectangular box. This particular box allows you to actually place a color into it. And it's a highlighted color. As you can see, if I move it on top of an object, you see that you can actually see through it. The next icon that we have is the sticky notepad. And I'll put two of them for now. One of the features that we have with the sticky notepad is that you can, if you click on the sticky notepad itself, you can actually type in your sticky notepad. And a great feature that this actually has is that it allows you to actually change the color of your sticky notepad. So that, let's say you wanted to place a sticky notepad and put some kind of an annotation on a document or on a whiteboard, and another of the participants wanted to do the same thing also, but you kind of wanted to know what your annotation was and you want to separate yours from his, you give him a different color. And anyone can do this. As you can see, we have a green sticky notepad. The next icon provides you with the text. Again, click on it. You type. One of the features that I like to show you from the whiteboard is that you can actually take your annotations, you can move them around. You can actually transform the size of them. If you click on them, you can change the color of them. Then if you right click on it, it even allows you to layer them, where you can bring it to the, send it to the back, bring it forward, bring it to the front, change the color. The next feature on the whiteboard that I'd like to show you is how to actually load up an image and play a video on the whiteboard. You do this by clicking on the icon next to the little picture that you have there, mountain scene. When you click on it, your media file browser will appear. As you can see, you have your storage system here with all your files. In this particular case, we'll look at the image files in the public open storage. We'll choose an image. You can either double click it, or you can choose an image and then click add on the bottom. You can actually put a multiple amount of each image by placing a different number in the box that you hear with the number sign. In this particular case, we'll put 2 of the waterfall ones just to show you. Click on the video files. You can actually choose a video file. Add it. Choose another one. Add it. And when you're done loading up all of the images and the videos that you actually want to show on the whiteboard, you click OK. If you notice in the upper left-hand corner, they will begin to load. As they're loading, they will appear as far as the images are concerned. Then you will see the news reels or the movie reels. They are your videos. They will basically load up one on top of each other. So what you need to do is you need to actually move them into different portions of the whiteboard. And what you do is you basically right click on it. And when you right click on it, you see that you can play it, pause, resume. Each and every one of the videos has their own individual master volume and their own volume. You can loop it, and again you can layer it. You can bring it to the front, bring it forward, send it to the back, or send it backward. So you can actually put an image and put an audio file behind that image and have music playing in the background. In this particular case, we loaded up a video, and I'll just click play, and you'll see the video loading up, buffering first, and you'll see it start to play. You can actually adjust the size of it by just clicking on the corner and dragging it. And as you can see, let me just loop it, play again. Click on this one here, loop it, play. Put it up here. We've got that one playing. So pretty much you can actually load up a video, you can play music, you could put images on your whiteboard. Move this one over. You can transform the size of the image. You can actually annotate over an image, icon, or anything that you actually put onto it. If it's a document, it's a PDF file, anything that you place on the whiteboard, you can annotate, print, and save. That's pretty much how to use the whiteboard.